Hello kids, welcome back. Welcome back to a computer class. So dear kids, in our last class, we have completed this chapter, that is the introduction to MSW logo. Now what we have to do today we will start doing the exercise questions. Some of the exercise questions we have already done in our previous class. So what we will do today I will start. Today we will just revise the things. Okay. So let us start with self-evaluation, and what we have to do here, we have to tick mark the checklist. This is a checklist is given and you have to tick mark whether you agree with the given statement or not. Okay. After reading the chapter, I know these points. Let's see. What are the points? I know that logo stands for Language of Graphic Oriented. I know that logo stands for Language of Graphic Oriented. So yes, I do agree with this statement. I know that logo is a programming language. So is this statement true? Is logo a programming language? Is logo a programming language? Yes, logo is a programming language. Now, third, I fully know that logo screen is divided into two parts, main screen and commander window. Main screen and commander window. I fully know that logo screen is divided into two parts, main screen and commander window. Okay, so yes, well, we do agree with the statement. Next, I know that commander window is used to write the command. Yes, it happens that commander window is used to write the command. This statement is true. Commander window is used to write the command. This statement is what? True. I know that a triangle on the middle of the main screen is called turtle. I know that the triangle on the middle of the screen is known as turtle. So this statement is again true. I know that the middle of the logo screen is the home of the turtle. I know that middle of the logo screen is known as the home of the turtle. Well, yes, जहाँ पे मिडिल में टर्टल रहता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? We call it home of the turtle. So this statement is what? This statement is correct. This statement is what? This statement is correct. Now exercise. Take the correct answers. What we have to do? We have to take the correct answer. Let's see. Dash is the logo turtle. Dash is the logo turtle. Well, this triangular shape, we call it turtle. Next is what? Logo command are entered in the dash box. Logo command are entered in the dash box. Command input box. Command input box. Next is pointed end of turtle is known as pointed at end of the turtle is known as the tail. Pointed end of the turtle is known as the tail and the wider end is known as the head. Means what? This is a triangle. I mean this is a turtle. So this is the pointed end. So this is what? This is head and this end is the wider. So this is what? This is tail. Starting position of the turtle is known as home, field, logo, prompt. Starting position of the turtle is known as home. Logo is a dash language. Logo is a which type of language? So we are here to do the fill in the blanks. Logo is what? Logo is a programming. Logo is what? Programming language. Okay. Logo is what? Logo is a programming language. Okay. Okay. So our first answer we have done. That logo is what? Logo is a programming language. You write command in logo with the help of what? We write command in logo with the help of keyboard. We write commands in logo with the help of keyboard. The graphic area of logo is called? What is the graphic area of logo is called? Tell me. Graphic area of the keyboard is of the logo is called? Graphic area of the logo is called main screen. Okay. The turtle is like a small. Turtle is like a what? Turtle is like a small triangle. Turtle is like a small triangle. The area where the turtle move. The area where the turtle move is called the field of the turtle. We call it field of the turtle. So let us revise it once. Logo is a programming language. You write command in logo with the help of keyboard. The graphic area of logo is called the main screen. Graphic area of the logo is called the main screen. The turtle is like a small triangle. The area where the turtle move is called the field of the turtle. The area where the turtle moves is called the field of the turtle. Come on, note it down. Note it down fast. Completed? Okay, let us move toward the next thing. So next we are having here give one word answer. Next is what? Give one word answer. Okay, so here we have to give answer in one word. First one is what? A programming language. Okay. So what is the programming language? Name any language which you know. Logo. So logo is what? Logo is a programming language. Okay, see here. See. लोगो इज व्हाट अ प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है ना. लोगो क्या है? एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज है. So here we have seen that the first question is logo is what? So logo is a programming language. A programming language, we have to name one programming language. Our answer will be logo. A small triangle on the screen, we call it turtle. Small triangle on the screen is termed as a small triangle on the screen is termed as turtle. Center of the screen where turtle is located, home. Center of the screen where turtle is located is home. The area where commands are entered. The area where commands are entered, we call it commander window. Come on, note it down. A programming language is turtle. Oh, sorry. A programming language is logo. A small triangle on the screen is turtle. Center of the screen where turtle is located is home. Home is what? Is the origin place of turtle. The area where commands are entered, commander window. The area where commands are entered are commander window. Okay. Moving ahead, moving toward the next thing. Next we are having here is question answer. So that we will do in our online class. And it's time for us to start this chapter, that is commands in logo. Okay. This is very interesting chapter. You all will enjoy it. Chapter name is commands in logo. So what happened? In the previous chapter, you were introduced to logo. What happened in the previous chapter? What happened? You were introduced to logo. Now you must be keen to know how logo works and what command are given to make turtle to draw figure. ठीक है? So let us learn some commands. So देखो लोगो में क्या होता है? लोगो में हम क्या करते हैं? कमांड देते हैं, तब हम क्या कर पाते हैं? कोई भी चीज ड्रॉ कर पाते हैं. So what we are going to study here? We are going to study some of the commands जिनकी मदद से हम क्या कर पाएंगे? Will be able to move our turtle and make different shapes. Now, topic covered in this chapter. First is what? Logo command. First is what? Logo command. Then moving command, turning commands, hiding and showing the turtle, pen command, erasing command, home command, by command, drawing figure in logo. So after studying all this command, next what we have to do? We have to see how we can draw the figure. Okay. Next we have to see how we can draw the figure. So logo command. Let us see. Commands are the instruction that you give to the turtle to draw any figure. So what happened? What are the commands? Commands are the instruction that you give to the turtle to draw any figure. देखो मैम ने भी आपको करके दिखाया ना. मैम क्या करते थे? कमांड देते थे ना. और उससे क्या मैम क्या करते थे? कमांड देते थे. और उससे क्या होता था? जब मैम कमांड देते थे, जो टर्टल था वो क्या करता था? स्क्रीन पे मूव करता था. टर्टल स्क्रीन पे क्या करता था? मूव करता था. और क्या होता था? शेप्स ड्रॉ हो जाती थी. तो व्हाट आर द कमांड? कमांड्स आर द इंस्ट्रक्शन that you give to the turtle to draw any figure. देखो, तो when you give instruction, जैसे आपकी टीचर आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन देती है दैट ओपन पेज नंबर 54, पैराग्राफ नंबर 2 एंड लाइन नंबर 3, तो आप वहां पे रीड करना शुरू करते हो. Similarly, what happened? Same thing happen in logo also. Same thing happens in लोगो ऑल्सो. लोगो में भी क्या होता है, हम टर्टल को क्या करते हैं, कमांड देते हैं, और जब हम इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड कमांड देते हैं तो वो उसी के अकॉर्डिंग क्या करता है, वर्क करता है. लोगो क्या करता है, उसी अकॉर्डिंग अपने स्क्रीन पे घूम के वर्क करता है. नाउ all the command in logo are written in commander window. So all the command that we write in logo, we write it in commander window. Whatever the command we do write, we write it in commander window. Okay, the logo commands are also called the logo primitive. The logo commands, they are also termed as the logo primitive. We call them logo primitive. ठीक है, तो कमांड्स को हम एक और क्या बोलते हैं, we call them primitives. After each command you have to press enter key from the keyboard or press the execute button. After each command, जो भी कमांड आप देते हो उसके बाद आपने क्या करना होता है, आपने एंटर की प्रेस करना होता है. चलो मैम करके दिखाएं. ओके, तो देखो मैम ने ये कमांड अपना लोगो स्क्रीन ओपन कर लिया कमांडर विंडो में. मैम ने एंटर किया. कमांडर विंडो में मैम ने क्या एंटर किया, कमांडर विंडो में मैम ने एंटर किया फॉरवर्ड 50. ठीक है, अब देखो जब फॉरवर्ड 50 लिखा तब कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, बट वंस आई विल प्रेस द एंटर, जैसे ही मैंने एंटर प्रेस किया क्या हुआ, जो टर्टल था वो फॉरवर्ड 50 स्टेप्स आगे बढ़ा. अब मैंने लिखा राइट 60, अभी भी कुछ नहीं हुआ. ये कब होगा, जब हम क्या करेंगे, एंटर प्रेस करेंगे. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, after writing each and every command we have to press the enter key to execute that command. After writing each and every command we have to press the enter to execute the command. Okay, see what is happening on your screen. मैम क्या कर पा रहे हैं, मैम कुछ न कुछ ड्रॉ कर पा रहे हैं जस्ट बाय राइटिंग द कमांड्स. मैम कमांड राइट कर रहे हैं और फिर क्या हो पा रहा है, मैम क्या कर पा रहे हैं, कुछ ना कुछ ड्रॉ करना चाह रहे हैं. तो मैम इज ट्राइंग टू क्लोज दिस फिगर. ठीक है, मैम इज ट्राइंग टू क्लोज दिस फिगर. वेल सी इफ शी कैन डू इट. वेल यस, मैम ने इस फिगर को क्या किया, क्लोज कर दिया. तो हमने देखो क्या सीखा, हमने ये सीखा कि कोई भी कमांड तब वर्क कर रहा है जब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, जब हम एंटर की प्रेस कर रहे हैं. तो प्रेसिंग एंटर की इज important. So after each command we have to press the enter key from the keyboard or press execute button on the window to see the result. What you have to do, after each command we have to press the enter key. Okay, now logo commands to make a square. See here some steps are given. If we'll follow those steps we will be able to, what we will be able to, we will be able to, so we will be able to make the square. Okay, अच्छा चलो बढ़िया. Okay, so now let us see. So you can turn the turtle by giving command to right or left. So what we can do, we can turn the turtle by clicking turn right or turn left. You can use the smaller word RT and LT instead of typing the right or left, which mean the same thing to the turtle. देखो अगर या तो आप FD लिखो या आप forward लिखो, meaning will be the same. RT लिखे या right लिखे, it will give the same meaning to the turtle. LT लिखे या left लिखे, ठीक है, तो ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं आना है. It means same to the turtle. Okay, chalo, let us move ahead. Now let us learn about different command used in logo. So we are going to read about different command used in logo. Moving commands. First we are having here moving commands. Moving command means those command with the help of which we can move our turtle. ठीक है, moving command कौन से command होते हैं? With the help of which we can move our turtle. Let's see. The command that move the turtle are called the moving command. You can use the forward and backward command to move the turtle. You can use the forward or backward command to move the turtle. Okay. Forward or FD. This command is used to draw a line by moving the turtle forward by given number of steps. So, forward command is used to draw a line by moving the turtle forward by given number of steps. ठीक है, forward एक space and then given number of steps. चलो देखते हैं. So what is the syntax? Now question arises, what the word syntax mean here? Syntax का मतलब क्या हो रहा है अगर हम यहाँ पे लिख रहे हैं syntax? So what does it mean? Syntax is a set of structure. Syntax is what? Syntax is a set of rules or structure the rule to structure the program. Syntax is what? Syntax is a set of rules to structure the program. Structure of the program देखो तो यहाँ पे syntax क्या दिया है. सबसे पहले you first of all you have to write the FD, then you have to give a space. This is for the case if you want to move your turtle. So you have written FD and then you have given the space. Again you have to write the number of steps. कितने steps forward आप कराना चाह रहे हो. ठीक है. See, now if I want to move this turtle by 250 steps, तो मैंने लिखा forward एक space 250. This I have to write in number form and then I will press enter. See what happened. 250 steps ये कहाँ गया? ऊपर की तरफ आगे की तरफ गया ना, forward steps गया. Okay, तो forward 250. Now syntax क्या था? Syntax is FD, then you have to give the space and then write the number of steps. Number of steps you want to move the turtle. देखो कितने आगे तक गया ना. तो this is how turtle work. This is the way how turtle works. Okay. Now backward or BK. Backward. This command is used to draw a line by moving the turtle backward by given number of steps. So this command is used to draw a line by moving the turtle backward by a given number of steps. ठीक है. For example, syntax is what? BK space number of steps, and then what you have to do? Then you have to press the enter key. Okay, what you have to press? Enter key. Again, BK, then you have to give the space, then number of steps, and then press the enter. BK, यहाँ पे इन्होंने क्या किया? एक एग्जाम्पल हमें दिया है, दैट इज BK space 40 space enter. This will draw a line and move the turtle 40 steps back. This will draw a line and this will move the turtle 40 steps back. Let us try doing that also. Okay, now if I want to move the turtle, first of all I would like to bring it at the home position. See, एक triangle बन गया ना. Now I want to make it move backward, so I will write backward 100. Backward 100, BK 100, and see what happened. टर्टल किधर की तरफ गया? नीचे की तरफ. बैकवर्ड, नीचे की तरफ गया टर्टल, है ना? चलो कुछ और कमांड देख के देखते हैं क्या होता है. तो जो भी हम कमांड देंगे, टर्टल विल मूव अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट ओनली, है ना? टर्टल किसके अकॉर्डिंग? उन्हीं कमांड्स के अकॉर्डिंग टर्टल क्या करेगा? स्क्रीन पे मूव करेगा. So these are the FD and BK. FD and BK. FD and BK. These two are what? FD and BK. These two are what? These two are moving command. इनसे क्या होता है? Turtle सिर्फ move होता है. Now the next command that we are going to study is turning command. That how we can turn the turtle. How we can turn the turtle. To make the turtle move to the right or left, what you have to do? To make the turtle move to the right or left, you have to turn the head of the turtle. What you have to do? You have to turn the head of the turtle. Turtle के head को आपको क्या करना होगा? Turn करना होगा, ठीक है? Then only what will happen? Turtle will move. So the first command that they have given here is right or RT. The first command that they have given here is right command or RT. This command is used to rotate the head of the turtle toward right by given number of turns. This command is used to rotate the head of the turtle toward right by given number of turns. The number of turns is given in degrees. You can rotate the turtle from 0 to 360 degree. So we can rotate the turtle from 0 to 360 degree depending upon our need. ठीक है, चलो करके देखें. If I want to rotate the turtle, see, RT, suppose I have given 120 and let's see what will happen. See, and I will click forward 200. Move. देखो क्या हुआ? ये नीचे की तरफ मूव हुआ ना, राइट साइड टर्न होके नीचे की तरफ मूव हुआ. So kids, today we have done up to right. Now in the next right command, now next we will start with the left command. Okay.